Hey everybody, I'm going to teach you how to play a really cool game called Popcorn. Um, this is a game that normally you use a popcorn bowl, that's why it's called Popcorn, but we're using just a bucket today. Okay, now here's what you do. You get a group of about 4 to 6 people, sit around in a circle, and you're going to take turns. Each person gets a turn. Okay, now when it's your turn, you get the bucket, and you are trying to get your other teammates to guess as many of these words as possible. Okay, as many as you can in 1 minute. So one person can have a timer, like a cell phone, for a 1 minute timer. Okay, so I got to get as many of these words as I possibly can. So when it's my turn, I want to describe the word. For example, maybe my first word is tornado. Okay, so I might say this is another word for it would be twister. There's uh, like a rotating wind. It can knock down houses. It's a tornado. Okay, once I get it, I put it down. That's my point. I'm going to grab another one. This time, dew point. I might say, okay, it's 2 words. This is what happens when water vapor reaches a really cold temperature and it turns to a liquid. It hits its, people would say, dew point. Okay, so I get another point. I'd put that down. And I get as many of these words as possible. Okay, when my time is done, I'll count up how many points I got, and we'll just set these little slips of paper aside. Okay, anybody that guesses my word also gets a point. So we'll keep track of points just like this. Okay, now the next person, whoever's next, they would go and they would do as many as they can. Now you keep the words outside the bucket after they're guessed. Okay, and then after a while, when all these words are guessed and you got an empty bucket, you count it up and see who won that round. Okay, so that's round one. After that, you take all these words, you put them back in the bucket. Okay, now you play the second round. The second round is charades. Charade is where you are acting it out. Now this time, if I get the word tornado, instead of explaining it, I can't say a word this time. I have to act it out. So I might go like this, or I might spin around in circles, or maybe I'll point to a tornado poster on the wall, or do something like that. Okay, I just can't say anything. Okay, and I'll get as many as I can in 1 minute. After that, you count them up and see who won round two. Okay, it's a lot of fun. Have fun with it, and I'll see you later.